Okay, so for this example, we're going to look at an alternate way of passing by reference. And as you can see, within main, I have a variable a, and I've assigned it a value of 9. And I also have this time a local pointer, right, called PTR, that points to a. Okay, what I would like to do for this one is to pass the actual pointer over to foo. Okay, so to do this, and to have access to a, by doing so, since it's passing by reference, it's an alternate way of passing by reference, you need a parameter that is related to an address. So we're going to do it this way, int. Now remember, your data type is an integer, and notice this syntax here. I'm going to put an ampersand right here, and I'm going to call it a ref data for now. Okay, so it's a reference to some data. And the way you're going to call this particular function foo is you're going to have assigned a pointer to it. Okay, and the way you do it is, okay, I already have an existing pointer, might as well call it foo, and that would be start PTR, and you're passing a dereferenced pointer right there. Okay, now let's compile this just to make sure everything is good in terms of syntax. Okay, no news is good news. Now let's go ahead and see, what do we see from ref data? Do we have access to a, or the value stored in a? So let's do that. So let's go ahead and look at what ref data has. And ref data, let's end the line there and see what do we get out of this. So compile and run. And sure enough, we do get the 9 right here. Okay? Now that's the value stored in a. But is it simply a value, or do we truly have access to the memory location where that 9 is stored? Well, we're going to have to prove that. And to prove it, we could actually go to action here and change ref data to some other value. So ref data equals -1. And now when we come back to main, let's try to print a and see if it was affected by the change of ref data's value. So we're going to go back here. So cout a, after calling foo, the function foo, and let's print a. Compile and run, and there you have it. So this is an alternate way of passing by reference